This very long Balluff arrived to ERD from a major tire manufacturer and is used to monitor the size of the tire as it is being made. This sensor was over 6 feet long and is used as a table control in the process. There were quite a few of these sensors that were in need of repair from this OEM, so it was requested we develop a way to repair and test these sensors efficiently. This particular unit had a shorted control board, which we were able to repair and is now operating properly in the video. At ERD, we develop new test and repair strategies every day. This is our true strength and shows our commitment to providing the best possible service to our customers.